Come test drive the 2019 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher,